Understanding Enter Promo Code, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might often encounter while shopping online. Enter promo code. This phrase is a key part of modern e-commerce, and understanding it can help you make the most of your online shopping experience. Let's break it down together. Enter promo code is a phrase you'll typically see at the checkout page of an online store. A promo code, short for promotional code, is a sequence of letters and numbers that offers benefits like discounts, free shipping, or gifts when purchasing a product. When a website asks you to enter promo code, it's inviting you to input a specific code to access these special offers. You might wonder, where do you find these promo codes? They can be found in various places: email newsletters from the store, advertisements on websites, social media pages of the brand, special events or sales. Keep an eye out for these codes as they can provide great deals. Using a promo code is simple. 1. Add items to your cart and proceed to checkout. 2. Look for a box labeled promo code, discount code, or something similar. 3. Type or paste the code into this box. 4. Click apply and the offer will be added to your purchase. It's important to check the validity of the code as they often have an expiration date. When using promo codes, avoid these common mistakes: not checking the expiration date, ignoring the terms and conditions which might include minimum spend requirements or specific item eligibility, entering the code incorrectly. Ensure the spelling and characters match exactly. We hope this video has clarified what Enter Promo Code means and how you can benefit from it in your online shopping. Remember, these codes can offer great deals, but always read the terms carefully. Happy shopping and see you in our next video.